So in this video, I'm going to show you guys why you should never close a credit card. And if you do close a credit card, you will understand why you're going to lose points and understand a little bit of the psychology behind like what banks look at. So I have a little bit of an example right here. Let's just pretend that when you were 18 years old, you opened your first credit card, right? And these X's represent all of the on-time payments you made. And let's say now that when you were 19 years old, obviously you found another credit card that, for some reason you just got it, and which is great for you because I'm a huge advocate of getting credit cards. So you got another credit card and you made, you've been making payments for 7 months, and then, you got another credit card when you were at the age of 19, and this one you've only had it for 4 months, correct? And you made on-time payments on it. Now, let's circle back to the first credit card right here. Let's just say, for a hypothetical example, this credit card company made you upset. They charged you a late fee, which, wasn't right or wasn't your fault, or whatever the scenario might be. You got mad and you got frustrated and you're like, you know what, close my credit card. I don't want to be in business with you or whatever, okay? Let's say you close this credit card. I want you guys to see what happens on your credit report and why your score is going to drop and how underwriters look at this. And this is literally how the FICO algorithm takes credit card accounts in effect. So let's say again, you cancel this credit card and you close the credit card. What happens on your FICO's credit score and in the FICO algorithm, all of your on-time payments, it's like it never happened and it disappeared. And all that good credit age and credit history that you built when you were 18 no longer exists. It's like poof, gone, forget about it. What happens now is that it kicks it out to the second oldest credit card you have. So this one was your second credit card. Now it becomes your first credit card. So now you've only been a responsible credit card user for 7 months. So I hope you guys seen this visual example. I'm able to explain it and you guys understand that why it's very crucial to not close credit cards, and if you do understand why your score is going to decrease and why you start to become a high risk. In this scenario, I see this often, way too often than I should. Somebody gets mad at the credit card company, they close the credit card. What happens is that FICO is now going to look for the second oldest credit card, which is going to be this one. And now, instead of having, almost, let's say for example, this one was, I think 18 months of good on-time payment history, and you already build that credit age. Now you look like a brand new beginner and you've only been able to manage credit for only 7 months. So again, I hope this made a lot of more sense now, because I know that it's different to hear it, but then to actually hear it and visually see it on my whiteboard, you'll be able to understand and grasp just the situation and the severity of why you should not close a credit card. Because again, you lose that credit age and the only person that comes out losing is yourself. Obviously, you don't want to do this if a credit card has 5 years, even 10 years, even 30 years. And honestly, this breaks my heart, but I see a lot of my past clients close credit card accounts that were 25 years old, 30 years old, even 50 years old. I'm like, what the hell? There's a strategy. There's other ways to get around this. So again, before you swallow your pride or your ego and just hang up and cool down before you tell that customer representative to fuck off or to close your credit card, because you don't want to do that, because it's going to cause you more harm than good. Because now if you're stuck at this scenario, you're going to pay higher interest rate, you're going to be a high risk, and you're not going to look like your credibility is no longer there. I hope this helps. You guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments. You guys know that I do my best to answer each and every one of you guys' questions. Again, I hope this helps. Drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, support the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your time.